Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show the top best new pictures in the November 2025 Pixel drops for the Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. So if you have recently update your Pixel device to the November 2025 Pixel drops, check out these features is available or not on your device. In this video, I will show you 8 different features that is available on the Pixel drop. So let's see one by one. First one is the good theme pack style. In this section, you can see the three different options that will totally change the new look of your Pixel device, like a wallpaper, icon, system sound, GIFs, etc. So to use this, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now here you can find the try week for Google Theme Park view option available on your device. Here you can see the theme pack. So you can see this theme pack option on your device, or you can see this option. So tap on it. Now here you can find the option on your Pixel device if you install the latest November 2025 Pixel drop on your so check on your Pixel device. Here you can see the for good, Glinda or Alphaba. These three option available. Here you can see. So select the only theme you want to set. So we select the for good. So tap on the download option at the top right corner. Tap on the download. Now here you can see downloading it on your device. Now download it. So tap on apply at the top right corner and apply this new theme park to your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device. Now good theme is applied. Now open the home screen on your device on Google Pixel 10. Now here you can see it will apply to your device background. Also when you swipe down the notification, it will not affect. So when you lock your device, you can see how it looks on your Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device. You install the latest Pixel feature drop. So this is the all three option available in the good theme packs that will totally change the new look of your Pixel device. Second feature is the remix in any photo in the Google Messages application. So you can edit any photo, edit and reimagine any photo using the remix in a Google Messages application. So open the Google Message application and chat with your friends, and you can edit and reimagine any photo using this remix in the Google Message application. Third, AI power summarize for notification. So one of your friend send you multiple message on your device, that will automatically generate quick recaps of the message in the notification set. So the only important message, like when you receive any notification, multiple notification, and just swipe down the notification and you can read only the important notification or generate the quick recap only. So that will be helpful to save the time on your device. So this is the amazing new AI power summarize for notification. Fourth one is the keep your VIP even closer. Like you can, if you want to use the pictures VIPs feature on your device for your favorite person, you can never miss your favorite person's message with a prioritized notification. So very helpful feature. You can use see the critical alerts at a glance with the new prices based on the all available message on the widget section on your pixels VIP. So this is the new added feature in the latest pixel feature drop. Fifth is the edit in the Google Photos. You can use your Google photo to remove any sunglasses, pick the smile, and add the more personalized edit you want using the Google Photos application. So open the Google Photo on your device if available. This feature on your device. Open Google Photo on your phone. Open any photo you want to edit. Now here you can find the help me edit option if available on your region. So if you find it, you can easily edit in the Google photo and ask a photo to remove the sunglasses or open eyes or you want on your any photo on your device. Sixth one is the scam detection for chat messages. So this will automatically check the notification of chat message for the potential scammers on your picture device, giving you an early warning to avoid the fraud when you chat the message with your friends on your latest Pixel device. Seventh one is the power saving mode in the Google Maps. So when you open the Google Map application on your Pixel device, you can find the new picture. Just press the power key and see a simplify layout that will only show the next turn. All details will be hide. You can only show the next turn that will helpful to extend the battery life up to 4 hours on your device. So when you open the Google Maps, just wait for this new feature and just press the power key to improve the battery life of your device. It will only show the key information like the only turns on your device. So you can use this feature in the latest Pixel drops on a Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. Eighth one is the home screen search bar upgrade. In the home screen search bar, you can see the AI mode. You can easily access the AI mode. So you can quickly search you want on your device. That will helpful using this new Pixel's home screen search bar. And the next one is the scam detection in the phone calls by the Google. So you can use the Google phone application on your device. That will helpful use the AI to detect and warn you to speech patterns mostly used by the scammers on the phone calls. So it will automatically identify if the call is by spam or not. This feature is only available for the Pixel 9 Plus users in the UK, Ireland, India, Australia, Canada. So next nine. This is the last feature scam detection in phone call. So this is the all 9 features available in the latest November 2025 Pixel drops. So check on your Pixel device and update it to get these all new features on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device. That's it. Please like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.